Let's learn the alphabet with Australian animals. We will try to cover majority of letters using Australian animals, and we will get to know them. Let's start, my friends. A is for ant, a tiny Australian ant marching on the ground. A, ant. B is for bilby, a little desert animal with big ears. B, bilby. C is for crocodile, a strong reptile that lives in rivers. C, crocodile. D is for dingo, a wild Australian dog. D, dingo. E is for emu, a big bird that can't fly but runs fast. E, emu. F is for flying fox, a bat with big wings that eats fruit. F, flying fox. G is for goanna, a big lizard that loves the warm sun. G, goanna. H is for humpback whale. It swims past Australia and sings in the sea. H, humpback whale. I is for ibis, a long-beaked bird you might see in parks. I, ibis. J is for jellyfish. It floats in the ocean like a little umbrella. J, jellyfish. K is for koala. It sleeps in gum trees and eats eucalyptus leaves. K, koala. L is for lyrebird. It can copy many sounds in the forest. L, lyrebird. M is for magpie, a black and white bird that sings loudly. M, magpie. Great job! Now let's learn the rest of the alphabet. N is for numbat, a small striped animal that loves termites. N, numbat. O is for octopus, with 8 arms swimming near Australia's reefs. O, octopus. P is for platypus, a very special animal with a duckbill. P, platypus. Q is for quokka, the smiling wallaby from Rottnest Island. Q, quokka. R is for red kangaroo. It hops across the outback. R, red kangaroo. S is for sea lion. It rests on rocks and plays in the waves. S, sea lion. T is for Tasmanian Devil, a small but tough animal from Tasmania. T, Tasmanian Devil. U is for Ulysses Butterfly, a bright blue butterfly found in tropical Australia. U, Ulysses Butterfly. V is for velvet gecko, a soft little lizard that climbs at night. V, velvet gecko. W is for wombat. It digs tunnels and walks low to the ground. W, wombat. X is for X-ray fish. You can see its bones like an X-ray in aquariums. X, X-ray fish. Y is for yabby, a freshwater crayfish that hides in muddy water. I, yabby. Z is for zebra finch, a tiny bird with stripes and a bright beak. Z, zebra finch? You did it! A to Z with Australian animals. Which animal was your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Aussie adventures.